Hi, today we will learn how to play reggae on a keyboard. Reggae is a type of music or musical genre from Jamaica. It was developed around the 1940s from traditional Jamaican musical styles such as ska, with strong influence of Rastafarianism. Its popularity around the world began in the 1970s through Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Jimmy Cliff, and more. Reggae is written in a quadruple meter and speed can vary from slow to fast. Typical instrumentation of reggae consists of a drum kit, bass guitar, electric guitar, and keyboard, more specifically piano and drawback organ sounds. Most reggae songs use straightforward chord progressions such as 1-1-4-5 or 1-5-6-4, using triads. Yes, triads. This is important to know as a keyboardist playing reggae. Rhythm is what sets reggae apart from the other genres. The beats are syncopated, meaning that there are strong emphasis on the off beats of the measure. Let's look at our practice song. One of the technique keyboard plays in reggae is called a strum. Strum or strumming is playing the chords on beat 2 and 4 of a measure. Strum is usually played with a guitar or piano. We are going to use two chords or triads in this exercise, G and F. I will be using second inversions of these chords. We will play 2 bars of G, then followed by 2 bars of F, and repeat the 4 bars once more. I will play a backing track for us to play along. Remember, you are playing on the offbeat 2 and 4. Another important reggae technique on the keyboard is called bubble. It is a little more difficult to play than strumming, but with practice we can get it. Bubble is playing a rhythmic pattern of eighth notes triplets on the left hand while continuing to strum on your right hand. The chords on the left hand are only played on the last beat of the triplet. The hands are usually an octave apart and bubble is played with an organ tone or organ sound. Similarly, the strong beat falls on beat 2 and 4. I will play the same track using the same chords. The only differences are the rhythm and the sound of the organ. These are the basics of playing reggae on a keyboard. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I will link the music score and the track used in this video for you to practice.